We have to find the order and degree of equation first. And next we have to check if it is ordinary or partial differential equation. First word is differential equation. Differential equation is the equation that contains one or more derivatives. In this example, we have first derivative and second derivative. So first we have to find the order of our equation. When we have to find the order of equation, we have to check the highest order derivative in the equation. We have first derivative and the second, so the highest is second. So we have second order equation. Next, we have to find degree of equation. When we are looking for degree of differential equation, we have to check the degree of the highest order derivative. The highest order is 2, like we said before, and this second derivative is raised to fourth power. It means that we have fourth degree equation. We have to always check the highest order derivative. The highest order is 2, not the first derivative. So next we have to check if it is ordinary or partial differential equation. We know that ordinary differential equation contains only two variables and we have ordinary derivatives. In this example, we have only ordinary derivatives. So it means that this is ordinary differential equation. This is my solution.